Hey everybody, my name is Nick and in today's video we will talk about Skizz Lockscreen drawing application. I would like to show you how to use this application, how to link your friend in this app and so on. Well, first of all, let's try to install this application. Now the app is available in Play Store and in App Store too, I think. All you need to do is just type in the search box Skizz, okay, and here it is, Skizz Lockscreen Drawing. So to download it, just click on the install button at the very top. And of course, your friend need to download this application too on his or her phone. Okay, now you can easily open it up. Just click on the open button. Select language, just pick the necessary language and click on the check mark icon at the top right. Okay, click on next and select the normal version and click on continue. Or you of course can buy the VIP version if you would like to do it. Finally, you can see the app's interface. So on the home page you can see a lot of buttons: drawing together, manage connections, coloring challenge, how to use, share app, and settings. And firstly, you can change your username at the very top. Just delete your current username and type a new one. For example, Nick, and click on the OK button. Okay, how to link your friend or your partner, for example. Find the Manage Connections button and click on it. On this page, you'll find your special code. You can copy it and send it to your friend, or just send to him or her this QR code. Now I can just take my phone, open my camera and scan this QR code and open this link. Your friend needs to click on the exit and join friends room button and type your code right here, and then click on the join button. Okay, here it is. Now you can join, and finally you can draw with your friend. As you can see, now my mouse on the right side, but by using my phone I can draw something here. For example, yeah, here it is. So you can easily draw with your friends in this application, and it's really cool. At the very bottom you can change color, brush, you can change background of drawing and so on. The app is very interesting. And to draw on the friends lock screen, you need to click on the on this button at the very top. Lock screen drawing needs to use the following permissions: display over other apps. You need to click on grant and allow it for this application. Now you can go back to the app. Unfortunately, I can't show you how it looks like on my Android emulator, but I will show you how it looks like on my phone. Okay, here it is. As you can see, I can just draw on my PC, and my friend will see it on his or her phone. To be honest, it's really cool application, and I advise you to use it. Of course, on the home page you can go to settings, you can customize the app, for example, change language, rate them. You also can buy the VIP plan and so on. So I hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the How to PC channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos.